So this is Gorgo. She still needs a lot of work. Some paint work. Probably going to get rid of all those stripes. Got some trim panels to fix on the storage compartment doors. I messed up that fourth door back, getting it in the driveway. It's a 1800 watt pure sine inverter I installed. I'll probably end up upgrading that to an inverter charger. Installed all LED lights in the storage compartments. Needs a set of tires. 7,000 watt diesel generator in the front. It's pretty loud. Need to figure out some way of insulating that and rerouting the exhaust. Walls are separating in a few places, so I'll be working on that eventually. Seems pretty common for these older Holiday Ramblers. Lots of storage. Those two actually go all the way back through. It needs some carpet. I'll rip all this out. Start over with some new stuff. There's a view from the bathroom looking forward. Need to find a kitchen table for it. Might replace that couch. Not sure yet. Definitely need to replace that chair. I ended up breaking that a couple days after I had it. Front seats are in good condition, all leather. Installed a nice TV in there. Bose surround sound system. Still got a charging issue. Got to replace the brushes in the alternator. Installed a boost gauge. Allison transmission. Tablet there for navigation. LED lights underneath the cabinets. They're on a dimmer switch, so you can turn them up and down depending on your mood. I like the kitchen setup. This has got a automatic ice maker in it, which I thought was pretty cool. A couple bottles of alcohol, because sure, why not? It's got a pretty decent size washer dryer in it. I've actually used it a couple times. Works pretty good. And storage there up above for your laundry supplies. Probably my favorite part is the bathroom. Plenty of space in there. Lots of space to do your business on the head there. Pretty nice vanity. The center one opens up for storage. Pretty big shower. You can almost fit 2 people in there. Still need to get some more lights in the shower area. Got a little storage compartment here. Hallway. Walking back to the bedroom. See, the carpet's not too bad back here, but it does have a leak right over the bed. Apparently the AC units are pretty famous for leaking back here. Gotta do something with this headliner. Big closet. That's where the control panel for the inverter went. Bright LED lights in this thing. Mirrors everywhere. Typical early 90s designs. Here I'll be showing you my LED light conversion. I didn't want to pay a whole bunch of money for something pre-made, so I made my own using 16-foot LED light strips. Just soldered them all in and got rid of the ballasts. Makes it almost too bright in this thing, but I like lots of light. That's the wet spot, trying to dry that out. Anyways, thanks for watching.